Here are 35 sentences about the Old Monk cocktail. The Old Monk cocktail was invented in the early 20th century by a Scottish doctor named J.H. McLeod. McLeod, who was also an avid traveler and connoisseur of fine spirits, created the cocktail during his time in India. He blended the finest ingredients, including whiskey, vermouth, bitters, and spices, to create a unique drink that reflected Indian culture. The name Old Monk is believed to have been inspired by the Buddhist monk who was known for his wisdom and longevity. The recipe for the Old Monk cocktail has remained largely unchanged over the years, with some minor adjustments made in response to changing tastes. The drink's core ingredients include 1.5 ounces whiskey, 0.75 ounces vermouth, a dash of bitters, and a sprinkle of spices. To make the cocktail, McLeod would combine the whiskey, vermouth, and bitters in a mixing glass filled with ice. He would then add a few drops of Angostura bitters to give the drink its distinctive flavor profile. The ingredients were carefully selected for their unique properties, which complemented each other beautifully in harmony. Whiskey was chosen for its rich, full-bodied flavor, while vermouth added depth and complexity to the drink. Bitters, with their bold, spicy flavors, brought a layer of sophistication to the Old Monk cocktail. Spices, including cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves, were used sparingly to add warmth and aroma to the drink. The spices were carefully selected for their aromatic properties, which were said to have medicinal benefits in ancient India. In addition to its flavor profile, the Old Monk cocktail was also prized for its alleged health benefits. McLeod claimed that the cocktail had restorative properties, thanks to the whiskey's antibacterial qualities and the vermouth's soothing effects. While these claims may be exaggerated, it is clear that the Old Monk cocktail was highly respected in India during McLeod's time. The drink quickly gained popularity among Indian aristocrats and wealthy merchants who could afford to indulge in its finer qualities. Despite its refined reputation, the Old Monk cocktail remained a relatively simple drink compared to other cocktails of the era. McLeod's recipe called for just a few basic ingredients, making it accessible to people from all walks of life. As the years went by, variations of the Old Monk cocktail began to emerge in India and beyond. Many bartenders have experimented with different whiskey types, vermouth styles, and bitters choices to create unique twists on McLeod's original recipe. Some popular modifications include adding a splash of citrus or using alternative spices like ginger or nutmeg. The Old Monk cocktail has become a staple in many Indian bars and restaurants, where it is often served as an aperitif or digestif. Its enduring popularity can be attributed to its rich flavor profile, which remains complex and engaging even after multiple servings. In recent years, the Old Monk cocktail has gained international recognition, with enthusiasts from around the world seeking out authentic recipes and variations. The drink's unique blend of Indian spices and Western spirits has made it a favorite among adventurous palates. Old Monk cocktail is now available in many countries worldwide, including India, where it remains a beloved national drink. To make an Old Monk cocktail at home, one can easily replicate McLeod's original recipe with modern convenience ingredients. The drink pairs well with a variety of foods, from spicy Indian curries to rich and creamy desserts. Some fans of the Old Monk cocktail like to enjoy it in combination with other traditional Indian spirits, such as whiskey or rum. When served properly, the Old Monk cocktail can be a truly magical experience, offering hints of spice and warmth that transport the drinker to ancient India. The cocktail's versatility makes it an excellent choice for special occasions, such as weddings or festivals. In recent years, bartenders have experimented with modern ingredients like citrus, honey, and spices to create innovative variations on the Old Monk cocktail recipe. Some popular bar creations include using whiskey-infused vermouth or incorporating local Indian spices into the mix. While its exact origins are disputed, the Old Monk cocktail remains an enduring symbol of India's rich cultural heritage and hospitality. As a testament to McLeod's genius, the Old Monk cocktail continues to inspire bartenders, drink enthusiasts, and foodies from around the world.